Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to find and adjust graphics settings in Free Fire. First open Free Fire and then go to the main menu. Now tap the settings icon and look for the graphics section. Depending on your device and the current game version, you'll see different graphics options. There you can adjust the graphics quality and frame rate settings to find the best balance between visual quality and performance. And if certain options aren't available, then they may be restricted based on your device or the current version of Free Fire. Don't download modified games file or third-party tools claiming to unlock hidden graphic options, because these can cause performance problems or put your account at risk. So that was how to access the graphics settings available for your device in Free Fire. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.